Hey guys, Reese here. We are just happened to be having a unscheduled stayover on the mountain tonight. So we had a sled breakdown. We tried all day to get it out. We're close, but we're not going to waste any more energy. We decided we're going to pitch a tent. Technically, it's starting to get dark. First thing we're doing is we got Big Kev over there. He's chopping some wood. We're going to try to light a fire first. First thing we're going to do is put some saplings down on the ground, kind of dig a little hole, pack around it. With enough guys, it's not so bad to light a fire, but if you're just one guy, they advise you probably not to light a fire. So I carry this in reach at all times. I'm going to text my wife and let her know what the situation is, and to let the other parties' wives know what's happening and where we are. Safety first. So I'm going to do that and get back to you. Ooh, we got fire. We used the old Vaseline cotton ball trick this time. Worked pretty good. I keep getting asked lots of questions about what we take for fire starter stuff. So it's pretty simple. Sometimes we take Vaseline and just rub it on cotton balls and put it in a bag. Keep it in your backpack, your sled, whatever. But today we're going to take a little bit of petroleum jelly. I'm going to put it in the bag. And then we're going to take some shavings of some cedar shavings from wood. We're going to drop them in there. We're going to mix it around good. It's amazing what that little bit of petroleum jelly does for this kind of thing. We're going to put some more in there. Mix it around. Once you get a little bit of petroleum jelly on there, this stuff lights like a mother. So that's kind of what we use. Put a little bit more in there. I mean, you want to mix it around, get a little bit on there. You don't need to get it too crazy. Cotton balls are a little easier, but this is kind of messy. But anyways, that little bit, it's probably all you need to save your life. Start a fire, have some beer, you know. Real quick and simple. That petroleum jelly burns so nice. Just helps with a little bit of heat, especially if you're in wet conditions or it's snowing out a little bit. That petroleum jelly won't bother you much. Burns really nice. That'll get your starter fire going for the night.
One of our friends had an Arctic cat.
Yeah, one of our friends had an Arctic cat. It's broken.
Yeah.
So we light a fire. We're gonna dig a little pit. First, we're gonna warm up a little bit, dry off, drink some water, or beverage, and yeah, we got the fire going. We're kind of in our little makeshift hut here. It's not quite done. We're working on it. I think it's gonna be quite cozy for the night. So we're just pitting in. Stay tuned. Good morning to you, boys and girls. It's a beautiful day today. As you can see, the fire went to Never Never Land, but kept it going all night. We took turns, kind of sleeping in here and looking after the fire. Worked out pretty good. Not gonna lie to you, it was a little chilly. Didn't get a whole lot of sleep, but we're gonna whip up some cowboy coffee, probably, and have a little bit of Monster and get at her. Yeah, another day.